is just coming in. The Mohali administration has now introduced a new rule that mandates that all patients in home quarantine will have to take the permission of the civil surgeon before taking oxygen cylinders to their homes. Amandeep on the phone line with me. Good morning, Amandeep. Amandeep, what we understand of the new rule is the fact perhaps that if the treating doctor actually advises that you can take oxygen at home, you still will have to take permission from the civil surgeon?
Exactly, Nupur. The point is now they have created one window to take all the permissions. If the patient is recommended from the private hospital, it is very much mandatory to get the note from the civil surgeon, and only then he or she can take the oxygen cylinder at home. And meanwhile, there are two companies who are supplying the oxygen in Mohali, and both were informed by the administration that till the time if any recommendation from the private hospital will not get nod or slip or signature from the civil surgeon, no oxygen will be supplied to that patient. This is just because the administration had received the complaints that people started storing the oxygen at their homes by giving the names of home isolation. And in fact, on the pretext of home isolation, they have started procuring the oxygen at their homes. To avoid that situation and to meet the shortage, just because every patient at level 2 and level 3 requires the oxygen, so not to meet again shortage in Mohali, so that is the rule they have identified. And in fact, civil surgeon has strictly directed that only if the patient is in the need of oxygen, only then he will sign that slip that oxygen is required at the home isolation. So this rule is strictly for the home isolation, and in fact, no patient can take the oxygen at home without the permission of civil surgeon. To avoid such kind of storage, the people have started procuring at their homes. Yes, sir.